Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog, we're just going to be installing the new coilovers Type 2 functioning forms on the EG hatch. Hopefully bring it out into the sun, give it a quick wash, get a look at the interior, and see how that goes. But let's get this video started. So these are going to be the coilovers going onto the hatch. They're Type 2 functioning forms. Functioning form is all I run. I have Type 1s on the daily. We got the Downstar hardware to match that brand new functioning form. You know what I'm saying? Painted these because why not? And let's get to unboxing and installing. So this is what they look out straight out the box, straight out the package. And yo, there's something about that brand new feel. It's just making you ready want to bang gears, you know. But this is what they look like, and let's get to the rest of it. Let's look at these bad boys. It's time to full send it, guys. Let's do it up. He even gave us a tape measure, so why not? Look at that shine, my guy. These are nice. These are really nice. I'm happy with this buy. I recommend them. 10 out of 10, for sure. Brand new all around. Nice. This is the engine bay right here. It's going to be stripped down, resprayed, like I said. The subframe is going to be resprayed. Rack and pinion is going to be brand new. A brand new radiator. It's gonna have a Mishimoto radiator. That's the engine bay. Let's get this install going. So the driver's side coilovers are on. This is what they look like with the hardware. Now let's get a look at what they look like underneath the car. Look at that, guys. Nice. Let's get these other three installed. Yo, so the hatch is finally out of the garage. It's on the ground on all four coils. Now let's get a look at that interior because it's mint. So this is the interior right here. Full interior, all black. Exactly how I got the car. You gotta make sure you have that black ice. But yeah, this is the hatch that's gonna be built on this channel. So stay tuned and let's see what we can get out of this.
Just for this.
So I just got done washing the hatch, and let me tell you guys, it's amazing. Let me give you guys a close up of it. So this is the hatch, all washed up. Guys, that looks amazing. She's getting there. Patience. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. But this is the hatch. This is what's gonna be on the channel. I hope you guys like it. I'm excited to bring you guys content, and let's get it, man. Make sure to follow your passion always. I'll see you guys on the next one.